Y'all wanna know the most amazing part about growing your own food? That is natural. There are no asbestos, no chemicals in it. And you can just come home, walk, and just grab it with your own hand. Look at that, fresh tomato right there. Fresh tomato. And I can come and bite it without worrying about getting infected. Unless government food, you're worried about now parasites, diarrhea, infection, poison food, fast food. All natural from Mother Nature. I'm ruled by the law of the jungle, not ruled by the law of the state. And if you don't like it, go fuck off. Do your own thing. Keep on eating your own bullshit.